Hi everyone, and in this video we're just going to have a look at draw tools. So on the right hand side, draw area, and I'm going to select this property here over at Charlestown. So I'm going to cut off the front part of this property. So left click to get started, another left click, and left click, double left click to finish. I'm going to give it a title, free house. I know that house is a little bit taller, so I'm just going to say it's 6.5, and I'm going to change the color to a green and select finish. I'm then going to cut this other block of land up. So once again, just using that left hand star on the mouse, click, double click to finish, and I'm going to say dev site townhouse, and I'm going to go to a different color. Might in this case go a little bit crazy there, and I know this is going to be a little bit higher, so it's going to be 9 meters, and select finish. Now, what we can do is holding down the control key on a PC and left click on the mouse, we can actually start to rotate and see like a three-dimensional aspect of what that site can look like. So in this case, I'm now scrolling in with the mouse, and I can get an indication of, you know, what that could look like spatially. So once again, I can juggle between 3D and 2D just by selecting this, and that gives you an idea of the new parts that you can use Stash for with the draw tool. If you wanted to delete one of those parcels, the draw area, you just select edit, click on, and you can change this, or you can actually just delete it. In this case, we're just going to select the delete button, and it deletes it. And I'll just close that. The other thing in our draw tools is our ability to start to look at distances. So if we were to say, okay, what's the distance from this site here? So I use the line tool, so draw lines, left click to start, left click, left click, left click, left click, left click, and double click. That gives me an indication of how far it is from, say, that development site there to, you know, this shopping center over here. It's saying like it's just over 500 meters. We can also see the waypoints as we go through that. Once again, if you want to delete that, you can actually delete it, or if you want to say shopping center walk, we can add that label on there, and it's in there. So this is some of the new features with Stash v3, and I hope you enjoy these new features. We've enjoyed making them. Love your feedback, keep it coming through, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.